guys, I am extremely excited here because I'm building a block here with a little piston going through it. Now the reason I'm excited because I designed it on Tinkercad. It is my first design ever and I don't know if it's going to work, and I don't know if the piston which I've designed is going to be too loose or too tight. And also I just want to mention, Grandad is an old man. He inspired me because he was doing left, right and center, and I thought, my gosh, I didn't know Tinkercad could be so easy to use. So we'll see how it goes. So this is like a piston I've designed, and I'm going to see, because I don't know about the tolerances of things, I'm going to see how well it fits this hole and if it's tight or loose or what, because I intend to make an air engine out of this kind of thing as well later on. The thing I don't know about this is this mark in here, and I'm not sure, but it's come through somewhat inside there as well. So I don't know why that is there, how that happened. But if anybody knows, please let me know, please, how to avoid it. Thanks so much. I think I may have made this too long, guys, or maybe not, we'll see. Hi everybody. So I set out to design an air valve to see if I could, and I've made this one. And it's what I'm going to call it is Jake's Mechanical Air Valve Mark 1, and I'm working on Mark 2 and I don't know if it'll work, and this one I've just got it working right now, so it'll make this piston work, as it were. This doesn't have a traditional piston and cylinder inside there whatsoever. It just works by air, and it's not very efficient. It does lose a lot of air, and so it's not really any good for a greater use than just a bit of fun and just to show you that this works. So I'm just gonna put my air compressor on and video this working. I'll just to make a one more thing I want to say is that I've brought out two of these to reverse it, to make this to go in reverse. So this works that, but what I really want to do is make something like an engine that this will work with, and I'm still working on that. I'm not sure how to do it and what to do, but up till now we've got this working. That's enough for now, and like I said, it's I call it Jake's Mechanical Air Valve. There's no piston, there's no cylinder as such, and that's how it works. Alright then, I know there's many clever people out there, they'll figure this out, I'm sure they will. Thank you for watching.